Shut up, Chico. Alright, what's good, everybody? Welcome to the watchlist trades, Creative Studios, Sunday's watchlist. So on this watchlist, I'm looking at my watchlist real quick. Alright, so my watchlist, well, when I go set up my chart, I really look at indices first, like, because that's all like top companies that's really moving the market into one, setting it to one price. So if I want to look at tech, I'll go look at NASDAQ. And if I wanted to go look at, the top 500 companies put together, I'll go look at, SPY. And if I want to look at some of the top companies in the world, look at a Dow, but I don't got it on here. But I look at VIX. It's like kind of an indicator for me. Like if it's down, market does good, but like most of the time. And then if it does bad, the market does good. Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but let me repeat myself. So if VIX does and goes green, the market usually goes red. Pretty excuse me. Damn, pretty good indicator to tell the market, to tell the direction of the market, and vice versa. All right, let me look at my SPX real quick. I get on a weekly. Went uptrend. Strong uptrend. I've had enough to be trading SPX. It's a lot of points though. Literally next year, this is when we're supposed to graduate. By this time, so say if I, fuck. So I was 18, bro. Alright. Delete this. But yeah, SPY looking like a clear uptrend right now. We got 3 touches. It just get a clear direction on the market right now. You know, we keeping the same over the weeks. We've been, I say, rising more and having more green days than red. And this is 5th week green. So that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna go. You're gonna go down. I usually go top. Yeah, you know, top down. The 4 hour. Get more of a direction in the market. Looking at price. Looking at these candles. Yeah, this is a uptrend. You bet down on this, you down. But that would have been better for you to have gotten in like down here, somewhere up here. I'm just showing you that this is an uptrend breaking, you know. That's all I gotta see. The rising volume. So it's color. I looked at it. QQQ it always does the same thing as an ETF. And hold on. Basically a smaller version of it, but it moves the same as like SPY and SPX, QQQ, and the NASDAQ. It moves the same. So NASDAQ is currently moving higher, for sure. Let me see. You call this a head. You can call this a inverse heads and shoulders right here, I guess. And it's coming up to possibly. But tech stocks and AI is doing so good right now. I really don't doubt anything, like no long term, like no long term drought, if there is any. I would expect like something small, like some small pullback, and then we get a correction to the upside. But you never know with the market. We could go down 100 points tomorrow. You never know. I mean, we can go down 120% tomorrow. Never know. Anything's possible. You gotta go with what today says. Like, this could have been a downturn, but that day. Well, not that day, but this week. This week could have been a downturn, and you could have been like, oh yeah, this gap area, this gap area, real bullish, and every time, look, let me go. This is what I've been reading a book called excuse me, Best Loser Wins by Tom Haggard. And I'll just say something in it that was pretty cool to me. It just the price range, he's just tracking pullbacks and some slight stuff, just try to get a sense of how far the market is trying to pull back, or how far it had pulled back, so you can know you can get like some type of idea of a risk. April Thursday, right? Probably would have gotten puts, but it was gapping up, little down. This kind of, which is this one, or could have been the next one, which would have been your decider because it's indecisive right here. You don't know where the fuck the market is going. You'd be dumb to even put in a trade. So you will be looking at the next candle from this one, which is this one, and it also gapped up, and it came back, filled this gap. 48% of gaps in the market fills throughout the trading day. So like most of the time, gaps get filled. So yeah. So you was here on April, right? You looking, boom, half the day, and it's like, okay, it's damn near hitting. It's damn near hitting this high resistance of 13,204.14. And it's breaking and it's coming back down. Then okay, now you tracking you could be tracking the pullbacks. I really ain't track this one, but you can track this one too. This is by for 400 points. This is by 300 points. 300 points. 300 points. So you can be in the median around 350. 350 max is your risk. You can be a risk of 350. Any more than that, like this is that pullback. Okay. Look at this. You're looking at that pullback. You probably would have got in for a small move, but probably would have got out. I don't know, or you probably could have came, or I probably would have held it. If I was in the trade, I probably would have been in the trade because it's a clear uptrend. Like it's clearly going up, and you bet on it to go down. It's pretty. That's pretty dumb. But yeah, here it goes down. That could be like a pullback. You can mark. Actually, yeah, you can be looking at this. It's pretty. Oh yeah, it's going up. It's trending up. Boom. Oh, if you going down, this is the buyer. Look at price. Every time it comes out, I can see it's stopping up here, but we're making higher. Well, 9 times out of 10, this is gonna get broken. Especially when we're in a bullish market. We've been bullish since the beginning of the year. Well, but beginning of the year we were down, but we have been climbing up ever since. Literally, look. January. Climbing up, we have a little decline. Boom, March. Just astonishing. Damn, if you probably could have. This is expensive though. This is expensive. Like, this is made say it's May 22nd to May 1st. That's a long call. Plus relief. Yeah. I'm gonna go look at spiral fast. Look at spinal far. Yeah, trending up, breaking. I really don't mind that, but let's look at volume. Volume rising. I be trying to bet on the market, they get stomped out real fast. I don't know why people do that, trying to bet why you betting down on something that's clearly going up. It's too much in one position. 12 million people. these same 12 million people that's in this positions, and if they haven't gotten already, they're sick right now. Like they probably took their positions right here. But people that's really profiting got in like right here. This ain't none. They stop loss like right here. Boom. They add to your position. Have a habit of adding instead of taking out of your positions. That is a good habit to have to your trading strategy. Is to not take away from your winners as you earn more, but add more as you earn more. And as you lose more, take out more. Or just get out the position as a whole. Don't stay in your losing trades. That is a bad trading habit. That is something that's going to make you lose money very fast. Very, very, very. Lose so much money very quickly. Let me just put that as that. And you really don't even be needing all the technical, like, you can use some, like, sometimes it's, you can mix it, like, I can use, like, I go to this chart over here, I can use technicals, and then still use what I know, like, what I have been learning over the past 2 months about, this is a couple different strategies I've been learning from Tom. I'm right here. Let me see. Turn it down. I probably went. Yeah. Yeah, you probably would have gotten it. Went it up on it. Probably would have went down too, cause like, come on now, like, you see this. On a 5 minute. Boom. Green. This gonna close. Boom, green. I'm in this gonna. Even if it goes down a minute, this could be a slight pullback. But I know the outcomes. So that's why I'm saying that. But really, in reality, I probably would have took that downside move for sure. It's probably got a lot of people. I could see it getting a lot of people though. If it would have turned on me, you got to learn how to switch positions and get to the next move. And the fast way to get in your positions, get them filled, especially in Webull, which is what the platform I trade on, is to when you're trying to get your positions filled, always do it by market. That's really gonna get you in your positions fast, get them filled fast. Limit orders, not as fast, not nearly as fast. Yeah, that was clean though. That's all I've been working on. I've been working on that for sure. I hope to come back to this video or this live stream 2 to 3 years from now and come back and be like, man, I really have grossed into that trader that I really strive to be for real. Alright, yeah, but I can see SPY continue trending, because AI has continued to push the market up. We can actually go look at some news right now. Screen transmission. yeah, hear my Pokemon shit for real. You know, I got a little Mewtwo, 1999. Be nothing tomorrow. Tomorrow is the holiday, Juneteenth. So the market will be closed tomorrow. There'll be no news tomorrow. We'll look at this week though. Tuesday, FOMC member Ballard speaks. He has a moderate volatility rate. Building permits. Let's look at building permits real fast. Building permits measures the change in the number of new building permits issued by the government. Building permits are a key indicator of demand in the housing market. Higher than expected should be taken as positive or bullish or for the US dollar, while lower than expected should be taken as negative / bearish for the US dollar. A couple of FOMC members. We got Fed. We got Powell, Tesla, Falker. We got a little action next week. Tuesday, Wednesday. Yep, initial jobless claims on Thursday. Okay, we got a little volatile week for sure. Powell again Thursday. We got FOMC on Friday. Alright, so this will be a very, very volatile week for sure. For sure. Love to see it though. So, whatever, it's just really however the market, because they came back and, changed something, but the market went the other way. Green, boom, bullish. People just rallying. And this would be nice to be in for sure. Man, telling you, when I become 18, I'm not gonna miss out on none of these opportunities. Make sure I strike at every opportunity I get. I strike at every opportunity I get. I'm gonna see more. I'm gonna grow more. I'm gonna get to that goal I say I want to supposedly have. Right now we're gonna be trending up. We are trending up. We got the pullbacks. I'm gonna look at the last 4 pullbacks. See if you can tell me something. Right here. But these in the last 4. These is 4 hours, so these is like every two candles is a trading day. $11 points, 12 points, 10. So I'll say 11.20. You lose about like 11 points. So really, you'll be looking for a pullback or something around here, but this is all May to April. But you never know. This is what we'll be looking for though. Green a million. Okay, we got a little doji though. The doji on a 5 minute. 5 minute. Making lower lows for the previous lower highs. We're making lower highs for sure. Boom, right here around 442.37 and 440.35. You know, we've been making some some lower lows, some lower highs. So I think, let me see how many touches it is. Yeah, this is pretty much our third touch. So I can see this as a downtrend, pretty clear. Or it could be a little short-term downtrend or a little pullback. We can see something greater, but it's all about, you know, what we see in the moment. Right now, I see a downtrend, but tomorrow it could be bullish. So I'll be bullish tomorrow. If it's bullish, I'm bullish. You don't try to trade against the market. Don't trade. I'm not trying to trade my opinion. I'm trying to trade the market. When you start trading the market, that's when you start winning money. Or, you know, when you start winning and getting money. Winning money. Winning the money. Hitting the goal. Look at the candlesticks. You can see it was going to be a pullback. Look at these candles. Pullback. But it starts to come up with smaller candles. You can still, it's going to be another pullback. And pullback from this pullback. It's not going to continue this uptrend. This upward. Oh, yeah. See what this kind of going to do. I probably would have got in, but like, you wouldn't get in at fresh right here because it can easily, boom. You probably would get in like right here. Okay, market doing pretty. So to see, then you could have like a stop loss right here. Boom. Comes up a little bit. Then it starts to drop. Comes up past, then you break even. It depends on, this is a 5 minute. Let me see y'all. I don't know if you're gonna be in the trade that long. Depends on how hungry you are though. If you want to be in the whole trading day, you probably could make a whole lot of bread, sonny boy. For sure. Look at Tesla. I haven't looked at Tesla in a minute. Let's go to hourly chart. Hourly chart, you know, it's Tesla. Elon. Musk. It's him. Let me see, December. Yeah, since January. Really, yeah, January. Every company just been really since March and April. March and April really is seen a real explosion in the stock market. Right now we're breaking higher highs with Apple coming out with, you know, Vision Pro glasses, $3,999. Shit, no insurance included. No, I'm joking. But yeah, Tesla's on the uptrend. It's just on the uptrend. You can see it's a clear uptrend. You just gotta see what the market's gonna tell you next. We got a big week of news, so I really wouldn't get into any swings or, you know, anything big right now. I'll be real cautious and just observing the market and see what it's telling me. Then I'll, you know, make your move. Be patient. Then you strike. That's how you gonna get your prey. Get your, you know, chestnut checkers. Alright guys, that's be all for today.